Hi, and welcome to Section 4, Utilizing Environment Lighting. In this section, we will go over the main lighting techniques used to light a scene or character within Blender. In the last section, we went over how to create realistic materials using nodes. During this section, we will go over the main types of lamps available, along with both theoretical and practical knowledge of the 3-point lighting setup. After this, we will also cover how to use HDRI environment maps to light a scene. In this video, we will be going over the details of all the different lamp types available in Blender. Throughout this video, we will go over the point, sun, spot, hemi, and area lamps available. The first lamp we will look at is called a point lamp. A point lamp emits light from a set location in 3D space. This light is emitted equally in all different directions. A point lamp has two main factors, including strength and size. By increasing the strength, we can directly increase the intensity of the light. By increasing the size of the lamp by any value larger than 0 results in a spherical representation of the lamp, similar to that of a sphere mesh with an emission shader. When the size is increased, the shadows become softer and the light is distributed over a larger area. Here on the right, we can see that with a size of 1.5 and strength of 100 that we get very nice smooth results. However, there is not much definition in regards to shadows. To contrast this, the bottom image has a size of 0.01, resulting in much more defined shadows and harsher lighting. Again, this all depends on the scene you are trying to light and the atmosphere you wish to create, and therefore there is no correct option. The strength field of a point lamp determines how much light is being emitted, and is represented in watts, similar to that of a standard light bulb. The next lamp is called the sun lamp. It simulates the light typically cast by a sun in a certain direction. Because the sun lamp is referencing a sun, it can be placed in any location and will cast a global field of light over the entire landscape, using the given orientation of the lamp. On top of this, the strength of the lamp is much stronger than that of a standard light. The sun is not measured in watts, as it is much too powerful to be represented by this. Here on the right, we can see that both images only have a strength of 2, which is significantly less than the 100 required for the point lamp. We can also see that the size field influences the sharpness of the shadows. After this, we also have the spot lamp. This is typically used to cast a cone of light onto a set location, similar to that of a real stage light. Unlike a point lamp, it does not emit light in all directions, and will only illuminate a set area in a cone-shaped fall-off. This means that getting closer to the lamp will make the spot smaller, and getting further away will increase the size of the light spot. Again, on the right, we can see that the size field helps determine the contrast and fall-off of the light. In this case, the spot lamp has a few extra options, including a size or angle field that determines how wide the cone of projected light is. To go along with this, there is also a blend option that will soften the edges of the lamp light. These types of lamps are not used very often, unless they are simulating directional light within a fixed scope or highlighting a subject within a scene. The Hemi lamp is the only lamp that is not supported within cycles, and is directly interpreted as a sun lamp instead. For this reason, it is unnecessary to use this lamp type, as there are more options available under the sun lamp panel. Within the internal render engine, a Hemi lamp is usually used to light up dark shadows, and can increase the lighting of an entire scene by a constant amount. Because of this, it does not cast any shadows, and simply acts as a light source casting light in a set direction. The final lamp type is called an area lamp. This emits light in a given direction from a square or rectangular area. This type of lighting acts similar to a mesh plane with an emission shader that is only emitting from one side. In general, these types of lamps are very useful for providing increased control of directional lighting, and are often used to simulate a photography studio, where large panels of light illuminate the object. They can also be used as portals to guide rays out of a scene. However, this is more complicated and beyond the scope of this video. Now that we know about all the different lamp types,